What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. You know what I mean? I'm gonna run through the intro here quick and fast. I'm gonna explain everything to you, but you go on. And the different our man, you see me? Because the people them seem to have a problem with Annie and our man relationship. Enough people want her to left him. Because, you know what I mean? What him done in the past, but people can change. You see me? So, Annie, I defend that to the max. I'm gonna make you hear what she have to say, right? Also, my people, we have Pretti done step out in the Royal Dawg and Swiss situation and Rebel. You know what I mean? Because you know, it's a Rebel forward and she kind of, you know what I mean? She said something same way when it come to the Royal Dawg, like a bully Swiss or whatever. You know what I mean? She a push Swiss if he talk up and them thing there, you know what I mean? And she address him same way. So Pretti done have some things to say to Rebel. And also to Royal Dawg and Swiss I reckon you hear that. Seeing she bother you know my people talk about the whole Royal Dawg Swiss situation and also Daima figure it out and Rosealee and Akeem relationship with them are go on with on the internet. You see me I say? So you go on with people. Me know me left out more, but as me say me I run through the intro quick and fast. So when you not hear in the intro and I was seeing the video and me able add more things as we go on. So make we get in at my people.
Cigarette them. I sell my matterhorn, my curvy name, my sunny, I sell condom. Yeah, every little thing me I sell. Me dear, are you, me, did at all. I mean, why that nice candy? Thank you. Thank you. Me have to sell and work. Why VIP was crying? We asked me. God system not fit see me no more. You can't hurt the girl. We are bringing poop on the table. What you not do? Come on, no man, guys. Me I go get fed up of it and walk away. So why now when I walk away, it cause a problem? Oh my God, sorry to hear Candy. I feel like he might bad me up, he might try bad me up and I tell him say it not go work. It makes sense. You can't love me and then have phone and talk to other girl. Pussy. Remember me who start the game. Fuck me, man. You hurt the girl where you shouldn't blood clot hurt. Or you forgot hurt. Top up the boss. Lord, yes. It's not gonna be there and go just go do what I have to do. Cause I go lock my back room and then there. And this I should have do a long time by myself. Oh, I may I do it. When me there Kingston, may I do it. Oh, my time now. Father God, I make them fight me so hard. I lucky things I mean I go on. Me see her. I do want. Me I sell pussy. And that him attack. That him attack. He did. Yeah. Yeah. Him say me I sell pussy. Come and send hands. You will buy from you. Yeah, me know. Me know you ever buy from me, ever buy my wipes and stuff from me, girl. I mean, I go down there, because down there him live. Me not go nowhere near him. Him then a fee him citizen, me they my citizen. Me no want to see him. But you think me I hide myself? Any day me glimpse him, I buy a knife and me a bust me throat. Cause you shouldn't do me this. No, you have your woman then. And I play me. So you don't feel like me can play your back, boy. I play for play. Suck your mother. Tell us any day you click your live, me I go click my one. I click blood clot click. Let me candy. VIP. We are call up my blood clot name. Play for play. Don't play me, boy. Cause me no blood clot player. Oh, me a real girl, everybody see that. So I'm a real, I'm not no teeth. VIP never want you. And me never want him. First, and come out from my life. VIP never walk from him born in a sonat. A blood clot. God no like ugly. God no like lazy. Oh, and me no lazy girl. Cause me was a lazy girl. Me wanna have this year. Me a go getter. Candy a good woman. Let me not know that. Me see. He a KFC. Attack. Money from Candy. I take money from me. You hear the people might tell him see a KFC. So I not want to give nobody my number for call me. No compare to me. More than when he clicking live and attack, be a things that carry me down, so me a shit house. Me a this, me a good shit. Everything where a boy a style me, I him that. I him. Me can't go to road now and hold up my fucking head. He can't. Money candy. Money. You know, so what Velvet doing for his birthday. The girl said she want nails, here, that, but me never blood clot do yet in my life. I hear money here. I spend Candy. Eh?
Candy,
Eh?
I want to beat you.
Yeah, boy, thump me, knock me out. I want to wake up. It's a big stone, me feel.
See the boy yesterday a balling and me say no man. He must do candy something for candy gone. Can't remember the last time in the beat you up, you know.
You heard me.
Let me not know man, me see my ball, me sorry for him still in a but even though me sorry for him, me say no man. Maybe I something in the candy why candy run the gun. No man. Can't beat you up, son. Can't beat you up, son.
Yeah, please. Thump me, knock me out. And when me wake up, it's a big alpha.
Me people, there is three sides to every story, yeah? Him a few months, can they a fear one, and then you have the truth. Because you are going, nobody at all now go and talk the bad things with them though. You see me I say it takes two to quarrel. There must be something that caused the quarrel and then lead to the him licking Candy, you see me? So upon a level, Candy do the right thing. Because enough women that sit down in a relationship with one and lick them and them something there. And that not right. You see me I say woman more of them strength. Man take it physical. You see me? So you have to know what you want as a woman and also as a man. You see me? If a woman a move a certain type of way where you know like, move on and make she stay about her ways. You see me? Don't put your hand on her. So make watch some more, my people. Tell me what you think. We'll watch just a bit more and then move on to the next.
Black me say, Jesus Christ. Say me never wake. Me not be a dead.
So why my ball fan? So why my ball fan? You know tell we say beat you.
Me don't worry.
Oh God, man, he can't do that. I mean, he look like him like you know. He must have this. Eh? He must woman beater.
Yeah.
But it look like he like you're still in a candy, but what?
Nobody like me. Me just by myself.
Nobody like how much you beat her, yeah? Jesus Christ. Look at this candy, I know, Sean. I mean, the man beat up candy, you know?
Cry, me no eat. Me no eat. Me no eat. Every time me eat, me remember everything.
I beat him beat up candy. Remember when the doctor said I must beat him beat up candy?
Me asked him, VIP, why you carry me so far? One,
Yeah.
and then he take this advantage of me.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Me say to him,
Man, I can't nothing at all.
say to him, why you carry me so far? Gonna take it this advantage. They are waste girl, they are this, they are that.
Man, if you treat the woman good enough, they don't know the woman. They don't use the woman's friend. Man, and especially so that back.
I'm not going from Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You see then, I want to find a $5,000 today. I even get a 10 grand today, which I pay half of my rent.
You're up with it, see you try to make ends meet. Alright, now we can go back in a history before me meet you. How much money me usually take picture with and flaunt with by myself. I know you come on the internet and boast about that. You see me? And when me meet you, all of that just sets and slow down. Right down. You have a new car every day. You see me? Even if I know my own, I drive because my links them sets are happy for me. And I work with me, I know so I can do things for them. So them I do back things for me too. You see me? And since we meet across, it's like, you know, the link just come crash my life, bro. You see it? But it now got happen again. You know? Just remember, you know, when Candy come around me and you see her on the media, just remember how she did I live. All I drive car, you know figure? Yeah? Candy all I drive. We know for one man never give you a car and keep it turn the car on yet.
Why do you report up thank you so much?
Put her around steering.
So big up yourself.
The drive car. Deal. I don't remember them something there. Oh, I'm not gonna remember, man. Remember she come confess to me, you know. So I don't want to hear nobody I come back from my life and said this and said that and ask me about why me beat her, why me do this or that. I tell you from now, but stop with the mother. You want to ask me, you want to stop mother from now.
My dog room. That is it, guys.
So when you ask the question, you can remember the answer was no.
Make it score look good on a triple.
The answer was duck your mother. You ask me no fuck, you ask me about me. Ask me about
Okay, well, just bring up the one just
Chat everybody over them, chat.
I know what is a delusional. Suck your mother and come on from my life. Who you want? You are concealing that we are healing.
Barbie, big up yourself. Sasha, one I can't big up yourself, you know. Sasha, you have studio.
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you.
I on a record. 3 person on it.
She did this alone. Remember, she give Dawg man them a call on the phone right now. Pussy bono.
I think the bigger one rose there. Sasha, bigger one more rose.
I think she did do that for a reason. Give out her number on life for a reason. Any man we call that right now get that. You see me? Any man we call that right now get that. Free pussy around right now.
Precisely.
Yeah. Them life that she want to live. So I let her be. Yeah. Now go there with me and that style me behind my back. I'm gonna take that. You mad? All in the cycle, you know. Enough for no we come attack and get liquor daytime. That you nobody don't know.
Triple check, triple. Precisely. Thank you. Bybz screechy guys. We've got 96.
Go on the nuggets there, you know. Triple chat, triple.
Yeah, you start balling about triple.
Triple. No, me not that, miss triple, you know. Triple.
Precisely, big up yourself, you know. Precisely, you know, somebody I pray for moderator. Precisely, you know, somebody I pray for make a moderator group, like all our moderator them with in that group there. I know that like can talk and do them something. But just tell me if you're interested, just remember know. Is it so we can cause me I try for work for my team. Team real. Alright, message me. I try to work for my team. Any more moderator they on the live?
Take out my GoPro, wine in a slow-mo. Me love how she brown though, tip on your toe now. She pretty but she go low. Nah beat you, me no zozo. She like bad man and scammer. Me like bad girl with money in a purse. Matic in a lap and if a boy violate, she a pull the trigger first. That a drive in a hearse. Verse when me high under me honesty. Pop 2 Mali. No, me not pop no Mali still, you know, just lyrics. Zebra.
And Jen, reach out to me. Precisely reach out to me, please. Every moderator reach out to me. If you're a moderator on the live right now, you hear my voice, reach out.
Yeah, suck your mother. Fucking idiot. Fuck on her come tell man say. Don't play people feelings, just suck on the mother. Oh. See what some of the man are doing. Step all in on the neck.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Cause watch ya. Him a blame Candy and say him life crash because him there with Candy and something. Him never know say Candy don't have nothing for offer to him more than loving and some crutches and maybe some head. Him don't know say that's all Candy have for offer him. Him should have look for elevate Candy and help Candy. Cause him may be in a better position. Cause him say him a producer and all these things and him used to take picture with money and rare. So him may be in a better position for help Candy. So all him make sake of Candy, him mash up. What you have to do, I know the situation where you get yourself in and assess it and see if it's worth it. You know what I mean? Cause Candy don't have nothing for offer him to that. She can maybe help him build. You see me, but she don't have nothing for offer him to build him. You understand what I say, my people? So let me know what you think. We'll watch some more and then move on to the next.
That me I tell you no. You come and text from my life, boy. No, put hand on you. Go suck your mother, girl. Look your hand me and put. Oh.
True, you hurt me, can't see them thing and bro. You hurt. But I tell you, I'm true. Yeah, man.
Soft man, and I take people for idiot, you know. I take soft man for idiot, bro. You see me? You see man when I put them on pound and I go chat with them friends, I say, idiot that man. You can't do anything, you not do nothing. Suck your mother. But as soon as you see the real man, then we step up on the life and I'm putting up on the right track. And I come go on like you know I'm going ready. To you, brother. Yeah, say to me. I'm not clown youth. I'm an idiot. I get up and I put my hand on a woman. Just up. I'm a madman. Eh? Hey girl, go move it all your chum. I even want to tell you about your pussy in a girl, but it's not supposed to good. Cause you waste time over yourself on my life, girl. Oh.
Pretti, thank you so much.
You come like a little copycat them. Wanna come like a copycat. From one copycat jump off of the boat, the next copycat jump off of the boat. Man now left the blood clot man. It a go mad on the blood clot. When you see the big old blood clot wedding, when I go drop down, man now left him. When me say me now left him. Watch me signal. Man now left him. And that me say, I'm my man. God send me the man there for myself. God, when God make the man there, he make sure so when he make him, he put the brand on him right here, so and say that one you have a good girl on it. So that man there my man. And that me I tell you, when God make him, he make him special. Just me. So go and eat your heart out. Eat your heart out, Fiona. Go on now. Double tap shots. I don't want to pack up over here, so not even tap on that tap up and scream every day on the run come for me. Move on the blood clot and go take care of yourself on the house. And that me I tell you, no man not look for enough for you know, go on. No man not look for enough for to blood clot on younger than me. I don't come over here, so come beat up on the tummy and make a bag of blood clot nice. When I think I get you, no can't get a man. I want the man no want you. The man no need you. The man no see you. So you have a problem with good girl Annie. Come over here, so let me tell you the antidote. Come let me tell you the antidote. Let me tell you the secret. Pretending like and acting like. Hey girl, when you can't spell good, come chat to me because I don't say you can't spell good. Hey girl, please me I beg you. Remember say me I don't say it now. So oh yeah, go hey girl, rub out that and send a voice note. Rub out that and send a voice note. Because don't can't text don't. Don't can't text don't. That go confusing. Send a voice note next. Double tap team. Bright and face and out of order. Every day you run come over here so do one bag of ray and one bag of tea. Masuno. Thank you, baby. Everybody we are tap big up on yourself. Me rotate. Me never see my daughter taking nuggets. Make sure go on with it. And my daughter, make sure go on with it. Me never not realize say you're taking nuggets. Me never see me ready yet, you know, and then you run come over here, so you know. Eh? But tell us I'm not ready and you run come over here say, see how me no get them till you take away. Me don't watch comment section because my daughter there say, hey, look girl, we come from my life, man. I want cuss off them blood clot people here today, you know. Move your blood clot, stretch out blood clot, deep hole, drum hole and go. You're big and stretch out no blood clot, deep hole, blood clot, woman. Your page look like it has suffer no blood clot. What fuck you talk about? What are you talking about? Right now, the phone now fuck the neighbor man. So when you come here, start coming and chatting with me for. You go like young boy want you. Young boy want you. Young boy want you. Young boy you look for you. Eh? Young boy you look for you. I bex you bex. Guys, use the triple chat. Use the triple chat. Everybody where they have to chat. Double tap, guys. You know they here so with me tap on the screen. Man not black none of them. Me don't know your name. Me just look for your comment and trace off your blood clots. And that me I do.
Hey, my people, I tell you something, man. You saw a woman love a man and believe in him. There's nothing at all in this world you can tell that the woman there to change their mind from that the man there, you know, nothing at all in them. I go find a way to justify whatever he might do wrong and them way there, you know. Me I tell her that, you know, believe me. You see me, so I don't know who I try to get through to Annie and try to mash up any relationship. Annie love this a man like, wow. You see me I say? Annie love this a man to the hands of the hurting people and back. So there's nothing, me not think nobody and only TikTok police alone can mash up the relationship. You hear me say? Remember me did tell you now. Make you watch some more.
Hey, well I know. You say me I take my money and mine, man. I only pound not throw cocky partner and not get no job. Me get my job. I only pound not throw cocky partner and not get no job. Me get my job. Me get for me job. You get your job? Alright, remember, your true partner no get no job. I only pound not pay a cocky partner. Una true cocky partner not get no job. Me get my job, me dear. My man the right, yes, right with me there. Dear and then. What else? Come again. Shot everybody, catch your speed, guys. I'm a pressure, alright. My pressure, alright. Guys, everybody chat, catch your speed, chat. Blue team, catch your speed, my side. No, baby, me not be it from morning. Me wait for your tongue flick me from head to toe. Why should I be that you have a long tongue? Why should I be that you have a long tongue? Me wait for your tongue. You come with your tongue. Your tongue look like a towel. Yeah. Guys, everybody from top to bottom. Guys, everybody. Yeah, talk about beard. I'm here wait for your tongue to come dry me off. No, I come over here for trace because see they not even for catch his speed. I come for me for trace me off. I never know say me I go look here, me never know say me the red my pum pum from now. I never know say me the red my pum pum. Come again, Mika. As me click my life every day, so the drum come over here, so. When I tell people say them sick, them stomach, girl, go look at your blood clot page. Check your page first before you chat to somebody. Oh, if you sick your stomach, may I come over your yard, drunk row? Drunk row, me come over your yard, me know your yard. So, oh, if you stick your blood clot stomach, go check your whole family. Guys, use the triple chat. Looking bright and out of order. Every day I come on this. I when I avoid on still a come. I went to my avoid on still a come. First give triple chat. Guys, double tap, guys. Of course, I jealous and bad mind. Them now watch their mama pussy, so. Me sure them now watch their mama pussy, you know. I mean, know their mama fuck from top to blood clot bottom. And that me I tell you, I still come kiss you know. So me know they now watch your mama wall. Go watch your mother big hole. And that you figure do. Guys, everybody, double tap, guys. I want soon to bully me off for this. I want soon to bully me off for this. Remember me tell you, because if you don't try to bully me, I turn a bigger bully pan uno. I not go nowhere. I come like a gingy fly. I come like a ticks in our skin. So I go say if you can try bully me off for this. I see how far me I go. See how far me I go. Hey girl, you can't tell nobody say no gift because you don't have a gifting badge. You don't have a gifting badge. Not even a rose you can't say nobody. Watch me gifters them come true. Watch my real people them come true, come give me pandis. Y'all go drop down. No matter how I try to fight me down, man, I go nowhere. I'm medium Annie, one Annie up on the app. So y'all go watch me gifters them fly through and drop it in on a blood clot head, on a bad mind. That's how I not go no blood clot way. That's why God now bless you now. Because on a bad mind and envious. Yeah, continue watch me. Continue watch me, but no gift. You have a gifting badge, your page dry in a blood clot. Look for your page, not even look at followers you don't have. Not even look at followers you don't have. And when God give me one rose, me thank God for that. Thank God, watch me. Just watch me now. Watch me now, build up all on a fake page and come. Anybody who tell me if you go take me down, wanna come back again. And me who not go take down. Me sure as somebody else. Continue. Continue, put it up there. Continue now. Continue, watch me. Guys, double tap my side. Oh, God bless, no man curse. Remember me tell you. Guys, everybody, double tap chat. Double tap team. Jesus Christ, watch it now. When me tell us a blessing, watch a blessing now. Come on, no man. Make them know, no man. Make them know, so the creator of the ice. Make them know, say, oh, God bless, no man curse. Why do not try to pull me down? Remember Father God because of him build the road. Remember say him say take the journey. So none of you can tear me down. Queen, thank you, baby. Thank you, baby. Right the side of them head. Big up to you, Pandat. Make them know, no? Double tap chat. Queen, thank you, baby. Oh, God bless, no man curse. Right now, I wanna feel. Let me know, no? Guys, everybody, come together, chat. Come together. One honey on the app. Eat by few and love by many. Baby, thank you. Thank you so much, Queen. Big up yourself for that. Queen with the money gun, thank you, baby. Yeah, man. I'm not black them. I make them see what I want. This mad the boys, them. This mad the girls, them. And though them dead again. And though them dead again. And though them dead again. Big up to my number one, my number two, and number three.
Go favoring everything together. Una the Jamaican flag pioneer them. Una top.
Hey, we're pretty than if you know what say still you know more people say rebel. You know just have a name just so you know. You see me, a real rebel for real. I just one humble person behind all of that. You see me I say? And she's a person who are gonna stand up. You know what I mean? Especially for a man who she love. So I just said go. You know what I mean? We don't want to think about some more.
We fighting before they get on the teeth and thump out down the mouth. You were not coming. Come here. What are you? Why you have to make me a tassel? Why? I understand you. And Swiss him no. Swiss, stop it. And I'll be here if your girlfriend attack. Yes. Girlfriend, let me tell you something. Me understand. Me understand the whole you gonna defend your man. You see when you see your man and his brother, you know nothing. No. Just look, make them a man. Make them tussle you out. You understand me? You don't say nothing. You just console him behind closed doors. Say what you must behind closed door. Console him, hug him, make him feel loved and thing. Make the two of them go work you out as man. The two of them are big man, them go work you out. No side, no pick anything where you say to your husband, say it off the ear, in the room, pillar talk. You see me? We don't need that. We don't need that. Make it two of them as big man. Go structure out that because the two of them are laps. Me don't understand where I'm going with real dog and blood clots, Swisley, you know. Swisley, you know, riches we are pray. I feel Hollywood come down to Jamaica, come make sure una blood clot laps, you know. See the Hollywood a run down DDG, them and the whole of Kaisi, not them and the whole of them. We supposed to be up on a pace. When them a go come at Jamaica with Hollywood camera, bro. Come fuck round we. We are too fighting over blood clot dear game. I dare uno fi stop it. And dare uno fi go do real blood clot content like what Kaisi not them a do. No one is not saying rebel is not right, but there's places that you console your man. You hear me? I tell you, girl, and believe, don't look for no stripe when you're creed. Whether you love your man and I care for him, you don't need no stripe, baby girl. You don't need no crowd either. You can console your man and tell him the truth off the ear, the right place. You understand me? Not saying she's not right. She is. But you get to talk to your man when the time is right. You understand me? You don't need no rebuttals from nobody else. You're a young nigga talking. Baby, I saw it for baby rare, baby, yeah. You see me? Yeah. No, yes, him this our man. Them they are 2 man a war. Me understand. No girl want take up everything pound a blood clot head. Only can fire blood clot shot. I me talk to you about all the while in a girl. Some time I keep on a bomb buckler mouth shot, bro. Some time I wanna make on a man dead in a real. Me not talk about in a the world dog and Swiss League case. Some time I shot in the mouth dog. Look out for the bomb buckler man behind closed doors. You don't need fear who load up your mouth. Nobody don't need to hear you. And your man need to hear you be. You see me? She right, of course, yeah. You can talk to your man but not hear. You don't have to do it right, yeah, so. You don't need to do it to make everybody hear. You can talk to your man half the ear. You see me? I eat me a try say to your moms. You see me? Yeah. That's a real talk. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. The reason your man have the ear say, yo, what you know? Baby, I say things said, yeah. Alright, decorum. You see, decorum, whole heap of woman don't have that. Me not say she did wrong. Me not say nothing like that. Me just say decorum. That's it. You understand me? Everything was right, but decorum. That's all. You see me? Most of the woman, just because of the lack of decorum, and the reason why I want to put on the man in a problem enough time. You see me? So me I say, look out for your man, talk to your man, console your man, be right with there, standing firm with your man, but you don't need to do that for your crowd. You do it for your man. You see me? That's all me I say. And first of all, I told man that where our known brothers, them love each other like, whoa, let them handle that. They're men. Father God put a man down here to handle the hurt. Make the 2 man them angle that. Your girl pitney. You understand what I deal with? So when you ever see a girl go in a boxing ring, go turn up in front of her man when the other man a thump him in her face? No. You have to have decorum as a female. Go sit down. You understand me? Behave yourself, mama. You understand me? You're good. You see me? I swear to God, me I tell a king man, me I tell her, them not realize what me I try to say to you. It's like, as woman, yeah, always I go right for the man, but right for the man the right and proper way, bro. You have to write for your man the right and proper way. You don't need no crowd. You don't need none of that. You tell him what I tell him right this up on your pillar. Tell him in your house. Yarn him hug up at night time and yarn him the path. Reason with your man. Yeah. You see me? World Dawg and Swiss not for reach years, so. Because the 2 of them are 2 pioneer for this TikTok thing and the whole Jamaican vlog. Me see a lot of big people in America, white people that work with Swiss right now. Focus on that. Focus on the art. Focus on the art while getting us somewhere and I go put on a far on an island far. You see me? This dear game and the waste foolishness, madness, we need to transition to something different as a Jamaican vlog, bro. Right now, none of we not transition. We stuck in a same blood clot barrel every fucking day. Nobody at all now look on we and I say, alright, one amount of movie star them here, because we're not giving them that. We are not giving them that. All you hear when you come over on the Jamaican TikTok, oh, go suck out your mother, a big pussy boy, a dirty girl, thinking pussy nasty girl. And that's all you eat when you come over here, because you understand what I said? That's it. We not give them nothing else to look forward to. You see me? Yeah, and what you hear me, I say we. Notice the key word. We include. You understand what I say? We need to transition to something else. As a people, as a Jamaican people, as us. That we don't know. You understand what I say? This dear game, go push your head down in a toilet, go name some dog shit, all of them something have madness. That's craziness. You understand me? Stop it. You understand me? Transition to something else. Let's find something else. I'm very sure something else did it. Because when we go back on the American side of TikTok, I don't hear no fuck nigga. Fuck ass nigga. I don't hear all of that. Me hear content over there. So yes, there is transition what can be made. We can transition. We can transition into something else. We are way bigger than that. Blessings. We're bigger than that, people. Me I tell you. So Swiss, World Dawg, una already have this space where una push, bro, where una make Jamaican TikTok and content creating look good. How about continue on that pace? Stop trying to go back and go forward. Dear gamer for careless people. All of those nonsense that they're doing is craziness, bro. How about una try transition into something that's going to make Jamaica greater? The upcoming content creator them greater. Me tired to see the suck out batty hole and lick out fatty hole and batty man this and batty man that and go suck out your mother this. Want something different, you know, me man. You see me? All of them go push your head down in a toilet.
Alright, my people. So let me know what you think in the comment section. We watch some more and then we are gonna move on to the next. You see me?
When you lose, go drink browning. We need something more, brother. And them sitting there cause the problem and enough we not see it. The nastiness where we are put ourselves in, the bring down, the disgrace, all of that. We made it a thing. And that thing that we made it into is deteriorating us as a people. You understand me? No, we need to find something to transition to and move away from that. Even the people are getting sorely tired. The people here are getting really fucking tired of it. Most of these people don't support the fucker no more because they're trying to see what we're going to transition to. God, fucker, we get up and do a daytime. Be a fucker, bring down and suck out, batty hole and come on, Switzerland and World Dawg. Una bigger than that. Me expect una to go shake and love una one another and them thing there, bro. By the end of the day, youth. You see me? By the end of the day, me expect to see two on shake hand and love each other, bro. There is nothing wrong with two men saying I'm sorry. One don't have to say it. Both of you need to apologize to each other. I apologize to six and apologize. Grown men do that. Show some growth. You understand me? Transition away from this king mentality and this selfish mentality and be men and say, you know what? I was wrong. I'm sorry. You understand me? That would be very nice to see you on Switzerland out right now, even on a lunch. I go and talk over things and I drink to look up pina colada or something. You understand me? Do that. You understand me? We need for transition into love, you know, man. The 8 done now work already, bro. Me I tell you now, brother. The 8 now work. We have to try transition into love, you. 8 now work. Look on the agenda where we been a push. 8 bring down disgrace. It now work, bro.
And that people eat my fat. I mean on bite, you know. Sometimes I do. But then I ever feel like say, it's like she hears say, this is what we gather. It's like she hears say figure it out about him, man. And she just don't want that brother yet. Kiss it, alright. You know, like how Candy did a big king, I do king. Which one I do then? King and I. Then she that beg the Donia. Like she just set up one kiss. And the Donia realized say, me right but the girl and so only for open the app. You know? You get what me and say and nobody kiss her. Who remember that video there? And it was most uncomfortable to watch because when they label them as couple, don't. King, yeah, king. When they label them as couple, don't. Alright, good. So it was most uncomfortable to watch. Them I just make me feel like say, them I get your rumor about the boy, rumors they spreading, saying that it's semi-planting, but I'm another than the juggling, and there's rumors something another of war. It's true. I can't put in all the way and come for simplified, oh no. Yeah. No, I'm going to take a walk now before we stop right here. So, I'm going to take a walk. I remember where I mixed up one day now. So, I'm going to take a walk and chat the fake where I go on. No, Martin, no, stop saying my World Dawg and Switzerland. Let me say this first and foremost. You see, World Dog and Swissley will always, not World Dog and Swissley. You see, World Dog will always use a comeback like this. His friends. Now, ladies and gentlemen, is it anything to talk about? I just want to ask you now, is it anything to talk about? Because someone will go question and say, so why you ask if it's anything to talk about? So Rosealee Pretti, one of the people we are going to worry. Oh! Did I catch you? Oh, the fly on the wall, I know that song, yeah. The fly on the wall, I know that song, yeah. Where you there? You understand what I say? Now, ladies and gentlemen, you have to understand, if the thing is not real, don't post it like it's real. Sister, you are a great liar. And you just suffer from attention, you are World Dog, when you hate being out of the loop. You understand me? When you hate being out of the loop. And this is the thing, remember you come and tell a lie for World Dog, same have the barrel them around this up. And you say you see the barrel them when you never say none. This is why you join with him now. You understand me? Because when you realize that the two of them together is a force, but when our part ain't anything. You get what I say? You try to
The people, and that's why I'm telling you, say, I have TikTok as just for entertainment, you know, because I be a story, you know, for them can sell it, boy, you know, and on a level still, people, I don't mind, I don't care. You see me, I say, as long as you entertaining me, you watch it and know, say, yo, this is just like a movie. When I watch a movie, I may just forget about it after I watch it, you know what I mean? So I not to invest myself, our emotions, in these things who are going on social media. Although sometimes you can't help, you see me, because it draw out certain emotions out of you. But I have to just know, say, yo, hold up, this can be fake, you know what I mean? So let me know what to think, my people, I watch some more.
thing down here and it never do. You try it with rebel and it never do. You have to go back to your known source. And the known source is World Dog. So you see all of this one I do, it makes no sense. You guys are not beefing. Una nah beef. Stop it. Una nah beef. When you're not done beef, now we never talk about unity. When you're not done beef, we never talk about unity. September, October, Swissley birthday. Rebel 1 in November, I think. I don't know, I don't remember when, but when I work real hard for cut out back to school. All I know, me not hear none of I use on a program, and I say, let's give back. I always talk about this. Every year me talk about this. None of them use on a program and say, let's give back. None of them say that, you know, but the whole of them create this chaos, this mayhem, in order to gain recognition because on a birthday coming up. None of them who milk the internet. So it's when them people that talk about toxic relationship. Me not join the foolery. I am not down for that. I am not one to be yo-yo or to be hula hoop. You understand me? I am not one to join in a circus. So when people are sending it to me, I have no interest in it. You know why? It's not real. And I will not sit on my expensive fridge top and discuss foolery. When all of una try make a money, and none of una care about the single parents who really support on the program, whether with tops, rose, or gifts. I always say it. Una shy when September winter come right up to September morning. Una shy away. Same thing on the last year. And none of una lobby and say, let me use this term to encourage, motivate, uplift, and bless somebody. None of una do it. Every every year when I come and do the same thing on the net. You guys are not beefing. Una not beef. No beef, no in no soup. You guys are not beefing. So people need to stop it. Any old World Dawg sit down and class Swissley and nobody reposts it. World Dawg and Swissley gone back to be friends. Watch it. Just watch it. The funny part about life is only sit down and make the unintelligent wrap up the intelligence. Exactly. Who not used to World Dawg kicking off with his friends? It's not the first World Dawg that kick off with Swissley. Or Swissley a talk up now. Nothing is there to talk up. Nothing is there. Them go as far to say, all a batty man one ya. It's not even come off firm. It's not even come off like how he wants it come off. No, not real. All of them are liars. But that if I can't real, it wasn't real, it never real, it could never be real. Yeah, anyhow, them stop reposting the videos, and the videos stop getting views. You see the two of them gone back to being friends, wouldn't like try the things them. Exactly, it's all a plot to take the shine of gunmanship. Figure it out, Rosalie and Diamond. It's all that. Me tell you, see, a lot of you guys sit daily for years and say Shiba the bad mind. A lot of you guys sit for years and say Shiba don't like people. Yes, a lot of you sit for years and you ever tell me now, Sister Winsome, a man dey on the internet and him say him gonna take up a stay bad girl and him gonna flirt her. People want to see that boy you really ever spending money on that stay bad girl here. So them tune in because that is a form of content. Whether we like them or we hate them, whether we can do with them or do without them, it's a form of content. Scamming, them are scam because them are sub and them have to sub because the boy got through a whole heap because remember so the whole of the class him say my batty man. You understand me? So the batty man I try to change him life with a stay bad ab. You understand me? So fine, that's content enough. You get what I say? Why would you want to change the life from that now and put it on something negative? You see when them talk about baga, you see when the baga lies. Why you as a big old boy would have get up and start a beef with your friend? That is not true. Why you as a big twin old man, twin vagina cow, why you don't want to get up and start a fake beef? Exactly. People happy for the change. We don't want to negative. On a very negative. And when people call negative, they're not call negative. They would get up every day and say Shabbat and I like people. See una likes the people survive there. See una likes the people survive there. That is why it's hard for a new TikToker to gain a name on the app because of people like them are gatekeepers. A gatekeeper them and when you see them work, when you don't want to call it out, a gatekeeper them a gatekeeper. You never know. The whole of them a gatekeeper, them force you out. Nobody not talk about that. So all Swissley down there try to look innocent. He's a gatekeeper. And the funny part about life, people, when Swissley did in the Spanish league, there was never one new ranker where I try and make it on the app affect him. Number one, did not even see local
People, be sure say enough of these TikTokers, you know what I mean, help out people with certain things more while we just don't know about it. You see what I say? Them do help people. But we just don't know who them help and what them do for them. Because I know everything them talk. They must have even people in them family where them get a thing more while. What them for do? Them not gonna really come out and say, yo, me help my family, way. Me not say them can't help out couple people more while and do something, you know. You see me, but enough of the time you see when them do it, then get a whole heap of backlash too. And a whole heap of drama happen. So enough of them kind of ease off of them something there, but let me know what you think. Or what some more.
People anymore. Wanna never see it. But when you talk about them, they say, get off their dick. You guys riding their dick forever. Get off their dick. Come on, man. Give the youth them a break. But they would never leave the gate for others to come in. Remember, you don't pay for coming in, you know? A free for all, so why you keep the gate? The other day when TikTok locked down, everybody could have come on and make money because no one can start advertise favorites. And I try to get people, oh, I love over favorite nice, I'm glad me over there rank. And all of them something there. One I do over here. People money really bother them Latte. So you have to understand the Batman behavior that most of these so-called straight men execute. Yeah, them exercise all of them Batman behavior. Yeah. Me nah ask you now, tell me I tell you now, if Anya na rotten teeth and police and them thinking mouth again traction and yeah girl, you look girl, good girl, whether you want to compliment your son, no. I love that so much. No, if them over here make it, them believe anti-darkness, them can't stay and build something on them own. Them can't do it. The same set of people world that cuss for woman. Same set of people in my look for put him back on the ranking. Same set. It's true, my friend there, Top Chef, it's true, it's very true. Them go on like girl and Batman, and them have some Batman behavior. And nobody now call them out for it. Them have some Batman behavior. You see the data one, you know tuning from the date to my youth. Only want people support you know. You know come and give feedback from the date to my youth. And not tell me say you not stay so. Don't tell me so you not stay so. Because no one can watch on the fake page. Why people for watch when I can't support people? Why? You see what I'm telling you? They don't support. They don't support. Something as simple as this, we're gonna find it very hard to support, but we're gonna find it easy to upstage it or to try and upstage it. I would never sit or come up by my program and say, we not see world dance we sneak it when we know on a show. We still await for world out to tell you why make Joe dead for 2,500. A Joe debt we still lepan. Joe debt. Yeah, Joe that we still lepan. Cause we don't know how world that can make somebody lose them life and come back and play a big panda app when you know you're wicked. Joe's dead. Remember you have money for the court in a Swiss party to collect from in a rebel. You understand me? So now will come like on the innocent. No, it's true, sexy lips. It's true. Of course, in my copycat. Which part I'm talented? But I don't know how to make them want to tell. But the same funny, you see. I don't know how to find them funny, but them wicked. Them wicked. Give young TikTokers a chance. Give young TikTokers a chance to gain some traction on the app too. Let me tell you something. You see, the reason why we don't have no longevity is because we don't know for boss people. We don't have no longevity because we don't know for boss people. We don't like stand up in a people way. And when people ride over, we don't know. We don't go and friend them. Yeah? Remember, say, una groupie, una internet groupie. If somebody come to make it on the net and them gain traction, una send them request. Remember, una big groupie, big groupie. Nothing can group than uno, and that is just the truth. It's just the truth. Me never ever waste my time. Me never ever waste my time and post and come soon and say, you know, say, it look like say. No, it's a lie. At the end of the day, when people talk about it, I'm telling you this already, another thing they will come back from telling you. Another thing me I come back and tell you now. You remember one time I tell you one time say I only own alone it hurts when I speak about them. But for them, they love when me speak about them. Or remember, we just want if somebody ever remember me say, when they can't say them like when I come and talk about them. If me not talk about them, then not feel good. Who remember that? Whoever remember me saying that? Who remember? Alright. But you see, when I talk about them, after they want me to talk about them, they play innocent and they play victim and they know they love it. Because what it does, it gets you on their side. You get what me I say? And it rile up me as them think. You get what me I say? That's what they are working with. No make no pay them no mind. When you see Swiss Lee down up them and say, and people are always at Swiss Lee born October. And if any October people live on this, you're not gonna feel away. But let me tell you something about October people. Love to play victim. Love to play victim. Let me tell you that. Love playing victim. I tell you that every day. You think a joke I make loves to play victim. May I tell you the truth? Them know so them terrible than you, and in our crowd they will say so. I made the whole crowd sorry for them. Made the whole crowd sorry for them. See them here? It's true. Mrs. Swiss Lee do a lot of what Mudfish used to do.
Alright, my people. More I know this. See, if Real Dawg is to be blamed when it comes to the youth getting unalive, right? Maybe he is. But this youth here, him did know him a sign up for when him a par with Real Dawg. At the end of the day, he was his bodyguard. Him did a bodyguard at the end of the day. You see me I say? So him know when him did a sign up for him, know what come with power with Real Dawg. You understand me I say? It's unfortunate what happened to him, but me not feel like say deliberately Real Dawg would have made that happen to somebody who will protect him as him bodyguard. You see me I say? So I don't think him should have get blamed all the time say yo this youth get unalive. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think. See, we are watch some more.
I remember when time you said, move from your son when none of you mere people, I'm sorry for face that. You don't think a joke? Loves to play victim. Loves to play victim.